We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, we feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hail and heart, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday, Daddy Randy! We love you! Ingat Ken, always!
Then,
Thank you for all, Daddy Randy. Keep safe. Thank you, Daddy Randy. Ken Padalang.
yun. Padala mo
Ikaw na.
Ikaw na.
Kuya Ray.
Ikaw yun.
Natapos na siya.
Meron ka na. Tito, thank you. God bless you always. Salamat to. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Randy! We love and miss you!
Bawasan mo na yung cheeks.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Ito, happy birthday. More birthdays to come, and I love you. Good health, parati kaya ka. Imingat kayo lagi yan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tito. Ingat po lagi, Ken. And thank you po, Ken. Gana-gana. Thank you so much. God bless po. Enjoy your day.
Daddy.
Ikaw, sasabihin mo kay Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I love you.
Hello, Tito. Basta kayo ng Ken. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo palagi. I love you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Randy. Wish ko kaya ko to. Sana maging healthy ka lagi. And more birthdays to come. And ingat lagi ito. Always. God bless. Love you.
Happy birthday, Daddy. More kalami po ka. Ingat lagi. Love you. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Daddy Randy. Sana nga po palagi po kayo malakas at full of more birthdays to come. God bless. Bye-bye. I love you. Birthday, Daddy Randy.
More birthdays to come. God bless.
Hoy, happy birthday. Sana, imingat po lagi, Ken. And keep safe. Kayo paboritin kayo kayong sarili. More birthdays to come. Dakal salamat kayo. Sana yung magbayo kaya kami. Thank you and God bless. Love you, Koy.
Ingaw sa kumpane Richard Gomez. Koy, happy 35 birthday. Sana more birthday to come and more good health. I love you.
Hello, Ran. Happy birthday. More celebrate to come. I love you and miss you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Daddy! May you have many, many, many more birthdays to come. Laging malusog, masaya. I love you!
Boy, happy birthday. Hope you have many more birthday to come. And many more pogi, mas pogi uker. Ha? Happy birthday.
Daddy D, birthday mo na pala ne. Happy birthday to you. More happiness. More good health. More blessings. We love you, Daddy D. More birthdays to come. Nagkantada ka, Daddy D, ne. Pero, pagpasensya mo rin ka na akong boses. Mamaus ko kasi masyado mapalin yan ni Ken Korea. Summer na summer. Pero, pagkantada ka pa mo rin. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We love you, Brother Randy. Mama, chup-chup, I love you. Miss you so much. Bye.
Happy birthday, anak. I love you all.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right. Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday. This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and Hardy, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Maligayang bati. Happy birthday, Lolo Randy. Happy birthday, Lolo Randy.
Happy birthday, Idol. We love you.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito. Love you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Happy birthday, Van.
Happy birthday, Tito. Happy birthday, Dad.
Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Lolo. I love you.
Dad, happy birthday. Wish ko kaya ako, lagi kang mimingat at may makain pa ba rin sa sarili mo at may enjoy mo yung birthday mo. At may na yung makain pa na din pa masyado itulpo. Kita mo yung nasabi ko kaya ka. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you for everything. Love you.
Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you for everything. Thank you kasi mo kami pabren. And also, sorry for everything that I did. Balo ko minsan na-stress na kaya kami pero kaya ka masyadong pa-stress. Thank you kasi kahit makanano namin nangyari na you still there for our family. Sorry kung masyas ko buntok kanita. And now, bala ko na why you are so strict to me. Pero, I understand. Sana, ngini, at tuning ako, balo ko. you love him. Thank you kasi kahit na nung nangyari kahapon. At yung kaya mo kami pabran and paramdam mo kaya nga po mo na spoiled dyan kaya kayo. Lalo na kaya ako. Thank you. At sana kaya beda ka pang malambot. Ay mo pabran yung sarili mo. Ay nakapa-stress kaya kami. Lalo na ako ay nakapa-stress. Kaluguran da ka kahit makanyan ko. Bibemungan ka ako ngayon. Kailangan da kayo. Thank you kay nga gana-gana. And also, kaya beda ka pa malambat magpalakas ka mo. Balo mo naman kaluguran da ka sobra. Thank you talaga kay nga gana-gana bibigyan kaya kami. I love you.
Happy birthday, Randy Tulpo. No, but seriously, thank you Dad kay gana-ganang gagawan mo para kaya kami. Thank you kay maabang pasensya, kay pamaningat mo kaya kami hanggang mga ragul na kami. Ampong, sana di nga nakapang marakala birthday na nga pong ginong nakayabe mo kami po pa di nga po mo. Mo pa ba rin yung sarili mo, good health, kung nakamakin pa ipagalaking work mo, kung no more stress. Mga tuwa na kami, di kami naman bumawi kaya kayo nga duwang mami. Takal salamat pa si Bayo, kaluguran daang sobra. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello, Daddy-o. Just want to wish you happy birthday and we love you very much. Ika may rin nga po mo. Sana matubad na yung wish mo and stay healthy and more blessings. Love you!
Hi, Dad. Good morning. Happy birthday. More birthday to come and God bless and good health. Dad, pasensya na ka kung makukulitan ka na ako. Pero mas makulit ka na ako. Dad, pasalamat lagi hapong ginuna. Di na nakapang mahabang birthday. At kamakain pa stress. Darakal mo rin nga po ta. Ilang mamiya ko swelo kaya kata at saya. Okay? I love you, Dad. And mimingat ka palagi mo naman, lalo na kayong pamagmaniw mo. Okay? Love you. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.